Hello students. Today I would like to show you how to how to write or type on the whiteboard in your Big Blue Button class. So the first thing that you need to do is go over to the right hand side of your screen and you will find the tools. So you click on the hand, and when you click on the hand, you click on the letter T. Once you click on the letter T, you see that you've got a little letter T on the board. So now I'm going to use my two fingers. So I use the pointer on my left hand, the pointer finger, and I click and hold down the uh, um, the touchpad. Then with my right finger, my right pointer on my right hand, I go from the top down to the bottom, and you will see that a rectangle appears. After I make the rectangle, I lift up my fingers and I can start typing. So I can type my name, uh, and I see, oh, it is the color red, and I prefer a different color. So I can go over to the colors and click on the red box and change the color to blue. Or maybe I don't like blue, I can change it to purple. I can also click on the letters to make the size larger. So there you go. And that is how you use the text box, the letter T, to type letters.